English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 23.
Are you busy at the moment?
Yes, I'm writing this report for Susan. She's having lunch downtown. They're having a discussion. He is printing the report. She is meeting a new client. We are not enjoying this meal. I'm not working on my own.
Hi, Guy. Do you want to talk about next week's meeting?
Hi. Sorry, I can't talk now. My tooth is really painful, so I'm just leaving to go to the dentist.
Ivor, do you know where Lorenzo is?
Yes, he's just parking his car. Apparently the traffic was bad today.
Sylvia, can you turn the air conditioning on for our floor? We're all really hot.
Yes. I'm just closing all the windows now so that it will work better.
Hi, Jane. Sorry to bother you, but can you help me with this report?
Sorry, Sam. I'm finishing my presentation because the meeting's this afternoon. Maybe John could help.
Hi, Barbara. You said you wanted some help?
Oh, thanks for coming, Stefan. I'm putting these photographs on the wall and can't see if they are straight. Can you tell me as I put them up? Thanks.
Hi, Matt. Should we fix a date for our next meeting?
Hello there. Can we do it later? I'm fixing the photocopier at the moment.
Should we go ahead and start the meeting?
Let's wait a minute. Jocelyn is coming up in the elevator. She has the food and drinks.
Where's Helen? I need to check an order with her.
She's just bringing drinks to table 5.
The team isn't having much success this year, so we are trying new things. Sales are increasing at the moment, so we are getting a bigger bonus. Fashions are changing, so we are adapting to new trends. Travel costs are rising this year, so we are calling each other more instead. Profits are dropping, so we are cutting costs in all areas of the business. We are selling a lot to Asia, so we are planning to open an office there next year. I can't believe you are working late. You are missing the staff party. I am waiting for my interview to start, and I am feeling nervous. The company is losing money, so we are considering a restructure.
Who are we waiting for?
I'm not sure. Is James coming to this meeting?
What are you writing? Are they buying this? Is it working now? Are we selling that? Are you meeting him? Who are they promoting?
Where are you going?
I'm going to meet my new client.
Why aren't they selling coffee?
There is no hot water left.
Who is giving this presentation?
That's Giorgio. He's a great speaker.
Are you doing any staff training?
Yes, I'm running 2 workshops.
What is Marco doing now?
He's giving a presentation.
Is he buying the company?
Yes, I think he is.
Are you taking the train home?
No, I'm on the bus at the moment.
Is the photocopier working?
No, it's out of toner. I'm refilling it now.
Is Mariam working on the new project today? Is the company buying everyone new laptops? Is Maria giving her first presentation at the moment? Is Rakesh designing the packaging for the new gadget? Are we all going to the team meeting now? Are they trying to improve sales in North America?
I'm free next week. What are you doing on Monday?
I'm working from home all day.
What are you doing on Monday? I'm not coming to work tomorrow. Are you meeting the team today? I can't go. I'm not leaving until 8 p.m. Are we coming back here next year? Are you coming to the party later? I'm not taking notes today. Are you? I'm having lunch at noon tomorrow. Are you going to Asia this winter?
Hello. Is that Jerome Gosteau?
Speaking.
Hello, Jerome. It's Julia Hoa here. I'm Marie Nugent's assistant at TCE Bookstore.
Oh, hello, Julia. It's good to hear from you so soon.
I'm calling to arrange a meeting between you and Marie about your new book storage solution. Are you staying in the city this week?
Yes, I'm working here for 10 days.
Great. Are you free for a meeting on Monday morning?
I'm afraid I'm taking my colleague Sylvie to the airport then.
Ah, okay. Are you doing anything in the afternoon?
No, I'm free then. Any time after 2 p.m. is good.
Okay. How about 3 p.m. at the bookstore downtown?
That's great. I'm looking forward to it already.
Okay, Jerome. I'll send you a confirmation email and look forward to seeing you then. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing on Monday morning?
I'm meeting the new client.
Who are you meeting on Tuesday afternoon?
I'm meeting the HR team.
Where are you going on Wednesday?
I'm going to Paris.
How are you travelling on Wednesday?
I'm travelling by train.
When are you getting home on Wednesday?
I'm getting home at 7:15 p.m.
What time are you finishing on Thursday?
I'm finishing at 3 p.m.
Who is leaving work on Friday?
Monica is leaving work on Friday.
End of Lesson 23.